Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model this bird in Blender. I'm going to model it, then I'm going to also texture it in Blender, and then I'm going to render it in Blender. So let's start. Hello friend, that's it. So this was the reference I was using, and this is our model and texture in Blender. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.